You could make more money in your business if only you were not relying on one stream of income. Relying on one stream of income, whether it's coaching, product, or even service, is putting you at risk, because if there is something happening with your one stream of income, you are left with absolutely no money. I was able to work 4 hours a day and make more than 100K, 150K a year by adding several streams of income to my business that allows me to first step back from my business whenever I want, take holidays, take sick days, relax whenever I want, and still get paid. But on top of this, to build a long-term wealth in my business and stability. There is not 1 month I am not making enough money to sustain myself, to save, and also to invest. So you want to do the same and you want to have a stable business, I would advise you to add one or several of these 7 streams of income that you can literally add today. You could just add them today, or it takes less than a week to add. So pick 1 or 2 at the beginning. Don't go for the 7, because this is going to be super overwhelming, obviously, but just add something in your business that is going to bring you some kind of money, and you can build over time to add another stream or 2 or 3 or 4 stream of income in the long run. Number one, digital products. And this is my favorite one because digital products are so complementary to any kind of business and any kind of niche. You do crochet, you can teach people how to do crochet. You are focusing on health or anti-aging, you can give your routine or create an app. You are teaching people how to lose weight, you can create a membership. Digital products are so versatile, and it's allowing you to generate passive income without being on your business, still have an amazing impact, get more clients for your other offers, but on top of this, like giving actual transformation to people for a lower price point and generating wealth for you and being paid in your sleep. If you want to get started with passive income, I've dropped in the description the link to Digital Product Romane, which is a beginner course for passive income where I teach you how to create your own digital product from your skill, how to sell it and to launch it, to make your first passive sales in 30 days and to scale to 1,000 to 2,000 pounds a month. So if you are interested into getting started with that, everything will be in there, but otherwise you can always ask questions in the comment because I'm happy to help. So the second stream of income is affiliate marketing. If you are a business owner, whether you are product, service, or even an influencer, you are using things, okay? You are using like some softwares, you are using some products, and you can always link them back in any kind of content you created. You can always get commission from it. I use Stanso, for example. I use System.io. The affiliate program is always available in my YouTube description, in my links, etc. So everyone who wants to join System.io or Stanso through my link can actually do it, and I get commission for each person I'm recommending. It is not massive, but it's still something like you can build over time and an extra stream of income totally passively, because you just need to talk about it whenever you want it. And if you are use it and you genuinely recommend the product anyway, it's not going to change so much more. You not create more content about this, and you can actually get referrals for this and money and passive income. So easy to set up, really easy to set up. And you can actually like make really good money out of it. If you want to learn how to set up an affiliate program, more than happy to help you. Number 3, brand partnerships. Brand partnerships are great if you want to collaborate with people and if you want to promote specific products in your niche. Generally, it works better when you have a very specific niche. If you are a beauty influencer, but even if you are a business owner and you're focusing on e-commerce, maybe you will have like partnerships with platforms who are teaching you how to find like the best performing product for the holiday season, etc. So you can get a lot of partnership. I always recommend to focus on anything around like software platforms and apps because they tend to pay really well. And also, like if you want to do brand partnerships, I would advise you to do a paid brand partnership. But for this, you mostly need a few followers. You don't have to. You can be a micro influencer and focus on everything that's tech or finance related or health related, and you will get paid even if you are promoting like with a small audience. So same, if you want something about brand partnerships, I have it in my YouTube, so you can check it out. For referral programs, you have a service, you have an offer, you have something you are focusing on, you can go with referral programs where you are actually giving a commission for anyone who is referring you. This can be set up in the back end of your website or even of your hosting platform. For example, I have an offer, Passive Income Empire, where I help you create your own digital product system and passive income system with me. And anyone who refers this program to someone make actually like 40% off the price, the total price. So will allow you to get clients without having to promote your offer, but also is a win-win situation because the person who is actually referring you is making money out of it. Number 5, TikTok Creator Program. If you have over 10,000 followers on TikTok, or you are planning to get over 10,000 followers and you love posting content, you can get paid to create content on TikTok. Your videos need to get over 1,000 views and to be over 1 minute long in order for you to start getting paid. But if your videos are going viral and doing really well, you can make a lot of money doing this. So you just need to realize that you can make a lot of money with the TikTok shop, the TikTok Creator Program. TikTok is an amazing platform to make money. And if you're already posting content, this is absolutely nothing you have to focus on. You just need to reach the 10,000 followers mark. And if you want help with that, just let me know. I can create a video on how to reach your first 10,000 followers on TikTok. I would be more than happy to show you. It's also beneficial for your business anyway to be on TikTok. This is the fastest growing social media platform, so I would not miss on that. Number 6 is starting YouTube. Whether you are starting long form videos, because it can be like kind of draining to create long form videos, I can appreciate that. But if you don't want to create long form videos, but you're already creating Instagram Reels or even like TikTok videos, I would recommend you to repost these videos on YouTube Shorts, because you can also get paid and enter to the monetization system on YouTube if you have like 3 million or 10 million of views shorts over the last 90 days. But also monetizing your YouTube is very good for the long-term like growth and long-term revenue, because obviously it's going to generate you clients for whatever business you have or whatever side hustle you have, or even if you're an influencer or creator, it's going to build your reputation. You can always monetize it by putting affiliate link, digital products link in your description, but on top of that, you can make money out of it when you're monetized. So to be monetized on YouTube, you need like 1,000 followers plus 4,000 hours views, so in the last year. So it means like you need to create some type of content before to arrive there. But once you've done it, after it's for life. So it's like kind of rewarding. And the last one would be like blog ads. So if you like to write rather than to be on YouTube, you have like your own website. I would strongly advise you to create a blog where you post actually each blog on Pinterest, because it's going to generate traffic. Or even if you don't want to post on Pinterest, but if you are regular into creating content for your blog, you can enter into Google AdSense and get paid for the number of views on your blog. So this is so rewarding. Same, if you like to write, it is something you can add as a lead generation also for your business or for your service or for your shop. So these are all ideas. There are 7 ideas. You can literally start today. I would say the blog ones and the YouTube one may be a bit more of a long shot, but like the five first ideas, you can start them today. It will not change nothing to your routine if you're already posting content, and it will make you a lot of more money. Like, you need to optimize your business to make more money and to increase your stream of income and your passive income if you want to build long-term wealth in your business. And I would be more than happy to create other videos, or if you have any questions, to answer them in the comments. But you need to understand, if you want to build a profitable business and revenue, you need to absolutely create a stable foundation where you have different stream of income, so you can be sure you're not putting all your eggs in the same basket, and be actually stable financially and safe in your business, so you don't have to go back to a 9-to-5 job or to do whatever you have in mind in order to make the ends meet. You want to build a successful business that is going to have a strong foundation and grow in the future towards like 10K, 20K, 50K months if you want to.